Lawyers and judges in Grenada joined with the legal fraternity served by the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court on Tuesday to officially open the 2023 law year. The official opening kicked off with a church service at the Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception in St. George. It was followed by the inspection of the guard and the procession to the High Court. The special setting in Anguilla is the first to happen in a physical space since the outbreak of COVID-19 2 years ago throughout the 9 member states and territories. In her feature address, Chief Justice Janice M. Pereira encourages lawyers in the territories to persevere regardless of the challenges faced.
It hardly bears repeating that the court has not been spared the times. I, however, firmly believe that out of the depths of adversity, there are always positive and enduring lessons to be learned. It is our collective courage to persevere, regardless of whether the seas are calm or rough, which has been instrumental to the court's achievements in various areas of operation. And over the last year, we have indeed made further progress along the way, with a steady focus towards an improved and resilient justice system across the length and breadth of the oecs.
Justice Pereira announced the new members to serve in the Court of Appeal, one of whom is Justice Price Finley, who formerly served as a High Court judge in Grenada.
Before I go further, permit me to recognize the recent appointees to the bench of the Court of Appeal, the Honorable Madame Margaret Price Finley, the Honorable Madame Vicky Ann Ellis, and the Honorable Mr. Trevor Ward. They have all given remarkable service as judges of the High Court for a number of years and are certainly no strangers to the Court of Appeal, having also in the past done short-acting stints as justices of appeal. I think it important to highlight that for the first time since the establishment of this court, 4 women are now serving on the Court of Appeal. I consider this achievement to be a step in the right direction towards gender parity.
Speakers from the other 8 member states and territories spoke on behalf of the legal fraternity in their country. Minister for Legal Affairs and Attorney at Law, Claudette Joseph, addressed the special seating.
Operations, we are going to be digitizing our records in the court system. We have identified digital and physical transformation as key components in the efforts to move our country forward. In this regard, a policy direction has been issued applicable across all government departments that allows for printing of no more than 5 pages at a time. But for the forward thinking of your ladyship, that your ladyship continues to offer this court, this policy of no more than 5 pages to be printed would have significant.
The official ceremony was held under the theme, The ECSC Navigating the Changing Tide. For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.